The TE300 Pro Series makes hard enduro easy. Price, £11,449. A highly competitive machine in its standard form. The new model is equipped with a competition-focused list of upgrades, all replied upon by Husqvarna Factory Racing's Billy Bolt. Powered by an engine that is fueled using throttle body injection (TBI) for best-in-class rideability. The TE300 Pro Series is complete with distinctive gray and white graphics to signify its exceptional off-road prowess. Husqvarna Pro 2024 component list. New unique decoration for Pro models. Brembo hydraulic clutch and brake systems, GALFER front and rear brake discs. XACT closed cartridge front fork. XACT shock with optimized CFD piston and manual adjusters. New factory racing wheelset with heavy-duty EXCEL Takasago rims. New racing seat cover. Skid plate with connecting rod protector. Front and rear brake disc protector, Superprox rear sprocket. Soft composite ODI grips. TBI 2-stroke engine. 350cc DOHC 4-stroke engine with class-leading power and torque. Quickshift sensor provides seamless upshifts on the FE350 Pro. Multifunctional map select switch on both models, which also activates Quickshifter and traction control on the FE350 Pro. Control unit, OCU, for the highest level of reliability and ease of electronics repair. High-performance LED headlight unit for brighter light output and simplified mounting. Premium Pro taper handlebar. Bodywork. A truly distinctive gray and white color scheme dramatically sets the Pro model apart from the standard machine. For a long-lasting and scratch-resistant finish, the graphics are applied to the ergonomic bodywork using an in-mold process, which embeds the design into the plastics.